Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative product that promises to enhance your home security while also providing unmatched convenience. It's the Bluetooth Fingerprint Smart Lock with handle and keypad. We found this product online and added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this smart lock? This Bluetooth Fingerprint Smart Lock is a versatile, keyless entry solution designed to fit most standard US doors. It offers an impressive range of unlocking methods, providing a secure and convenient way to access your home without the hassle of traditional keys. With its sleek design and modern features, this smart lock is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home security system. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this smart lock a must-have. First off, it offers 6 different unlocking methods. You can unlock it using your fingerprint, a keypad, a key fob, a code, a smartphone app, or a physical key. This flexibility means that whether you have kids, seniors, or guests staying over, everyone can have easy access without the worry of losing or forgetting keys. One of the best aspects of this smart lock is its DIY installation. Designed to fit most US doors, you can install it in minutes using just a screwdriver, no drilling or complicated tools required. This makes it an ideal option for renters or homeowners looking to upgrade their security without the hassle of professional installation. Now, who is this smart lock suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners, Airbnb hosts, and rental property owners. With the ability to create permanent, one-time, or time-limited access codes, you can easily manage who can enter your home, whether it's family members, guests, or cleaning services. This feature is especially valuable for vacation rentals or multifamily units where access needs can vary. Let's explore some practical use cases for this smart lock. If you're a parent, you can set it up so that your kids can easily enter the home after school using their fingerprints or a code, eliminating the stress of them losing physical keys. If you're an Airbnb host, you can provide temporary access codes to guests, ensuring that they can check in without needing to meet you in person. And for seniors or anyone who may struggle with traditional keys, the fingerprint option provides a simple and effective way to unlock the door. Safety is also a top priority with this smart lock. It features an autolock function that secures your door automatically when closed, giving you peace of mind without the need to double-check if your door is locked. The one-touch lock feature allows for instant locking, ensuring that your home is secure when you leave. Moreover, the smart lock is app-controlled, meaning you can manage access history, change codes, or lock and unlock your door right from your smartphone. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so if you have a smart home setup, you can use voice commands for hands-free control. In conclusion, the Bluetooth Fingerprint Smart Lock is a fantastic investment for those looking to enhance home security while embracing modern technology. With its multiple unlocking methods, easy installation, and practical features, it caters to a wide range of needs, making it an ideal choice for families, renters, and property managers alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't